Sazan. Give it a nice color. Nice color and paste. Added 1 teaspoon of ginger paste. 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. Another teaspoon, 3 teaspoons of garlic paste. Add some water. And mix everything together. Ready to bunch out. Ready to butcher the chicken. Looking good, nice color. In the chicken now, 2 teaspoons of chipotle seasoning, clubhouse seasoning. This is the one, mango chipotle, it's really good. So I added 1 teaspoon of ginger, 2 teaspoons of garlic. Some green seasoning. One teaspoon of Sazan. 1 teaspoon of thyme, fresh thyme from Guyana. Season everything up. Looking good. Nice already. We're trying to water down here with the seasoning. It tastes really good like this. Add in some thyme, some green onion, green seasoning, some more green seasoning. Chicken drying down so nice color. Chicken water is all dried down, looking nice. The chicken curry. The same pan, adding some oil. The chicken, how it looks like. Looking so nice already. It's already half cooked. So now I will add half a teaspoon of cumin, whole cumin, half a teaspoon of mustard seed. Just give it a nice flavor. Onion, 1 onion. Let it fry for a little bit, like 2 minutes. Add in the masala now. Today we're cooking some nice chicken curry. We haven't eaten chicken curry like for a whole month.
I know.
Since Guyana, Mommy didn't eat chicken curry. So feel like eat some chicken curry right now. So we bought a farm chicken. We're cooking some nice chicken curry. We haven't eaten that in such a long time. And I love chicken curry.
Me too.
You do? Oh, thanks.
I love your chicken curry.
You love my chicken curry? Me too.
Yeah.
And I put lots of potato for you. I know you like potato.
I love the potato.
I know, lots of potato.
The chicken looks nice. You made it well. Oh my god.
Yeah. That's in the salad cooking here. We have to cook it for like 2 minutes until it started to fry. Then you know it's ready. fry like this, babe, the masala is ready. See? This is how the chicken curry tastes good when the masala fry very well. Look, when it's like this, bubbly. See? Now you're learning how to cook chicken curry. As you like chicken curry, right? So this is how the masala has to be, like that. Now add in the chicken. Oh my God, chicken looks so nice, eh? Look how beautiful. Yummy. The color is so nice. It's from the chipotle seasoning that I added. Now, Daddy needs more color, so we'll add a little tomato paste, 1 teaspoon. He likes to see his curry, like, not black. But look at the color. You like the color too?
Very bright.
Yeah, that's the way Daddy likes it. So since you like it like this, Mommy cook it like this for me. Right? Look at that color, babe. So now we'll add in the potato. You see how to cook chicken curry, baby?
Yeah.
Step by step.
Oh my God, I've watched you make this so many.
But we haven't made this for a long time. I made it in Guyana, and at home I haven't cooked it for such a long time, over 3-4 months now or more. But we had it in Guyana one time. Actually 2 times. At Anthony's house and at my house. Her birthday. I made chicken curry. But Anthony made for me when I visited her. Look at that! Look at the color! It's so nice! Look at that color! So nice! Add in the water now. Hot water I had on the stove. See it start to bubbling. So we let this boil like for 15 minutes. So the potato can be boiled. As the chicken is already half cooked. We'll cover it. Cover it and let it simmer for 15 minutes. I just opened it to check the color. Color is so nice. Check out the chicken curry, looking so nice. Marina, what do you think of Mommy chicken curry? Look. Lots of potato for you. Marina, look, lots of potato. Curry. So I get checking the curry here. Looking nice. All done. So now I'll add some black pepper. Half a teaspoon black pepper. Add in some green onion. Looking nice. What do you think, baby? How is the curry? Look at that. Nice pieces.
Very good.
Anyways, guys, I hope you like how it turns out. Chicken curry looks so nice. Hope you like how it turns out. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.